What the hell? What the? If I drop my phone, I swear to God. I'm just gonna manifest that that's not gonna happen. That's what happens when you're on a boat. Yeah, I know where we are. Oh my God, you're right. What? Really? What happened? Oh. Ollie. Lean back. I'm on my money and my money on my mom. Sipping on gin and juice. Hello, New York.
Sure about that? You sure about that? He's probably like, where are we going? It's a good one.
Oh, it was like a good.
Yes. So, Joe, we haven't actually
Hey.
I'd prefer to stand.
there's a seat thing.
I would prefer to stand. I like
Hey,
to.
I know that cookie good. Somebody's trying to get a job. Like it's not. Fucking like it's not. And it has an attitude. Hey, excuse me. Look at that. That's a space needle. It's a needle made of space. Hey, Ollie. Ollie, tell a joke.
I'm a bad boy with a lot of hoes.
Nice. Ollie. I bet you didn't know you were a hard worker. This is so crazy. From behind on his head. Ollie, move your big old head. I'm just kidding. Hi.
Okay, I gotta give him dry.
I know, you got. That's my foot. Ollie.
I just want to roll it when it's down. Are you gonna be down there for a little
Ollie.
while? Are you gonna ride back up? You better hang on tight, Ollie.
I know, bro. Come on, Ollie. Come on.
They gotta be right there.
They gotta be right next to you. Oh. Oh.
They're trying to make it look fake.
They're trying to make it look fake. Look at me go.
I kind of want to dip my toesies in there, but I don't want to.
Look at the water. And then my brother. Look at me. My legs are
Hold on, wait, I
on
can
the
touch
edge.
this up.
Yeah. You knew what it was called.
I can tell because they land in the water.
Yeah. So there's a building, and that's where the hill is. I remember walking up that hill a lot as a kid. There's like a bunch of like snow